Spring 2023, the year I broke ground on all 7 acres of this land that I'm renting from the family farm. At the time, I had it in my head that I would use every bit of it. 7 full acres, just me, a dream, and an old John Deere 730 that's been part of this farm long before I came along. Watching that tractor pull the same equipment we used when I was growing up, it was nostalgic, surreal, and honestly, a total blessing. The fact that it's still running, still working this land, it feels like a miracle. And that classic sound of an old John Deere engine, it's music to my ears. Looking back now, I know trying to do all 7 acres in my first year was overly ambitious, and I'm grateful I had the sense and the humility to scale it down. Because building a farm solo is no small task. But this was the first big step. I was diving in, full of hope, full of dreams, and with absolutely no idea of what was ahead. And if you're enjoying these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's not just supporting the channel, it's supporting a farmer who's doing everything she can to bring this dream to life.